Did you know that the fastest way to treat any ocular infection is to wash it with saline, but only for getting a meanwhile symptomatic relief? Ocular infections occur when harmful or microorganisms such as bacteria, viruses, and fungi invade any part of the eyeball or the surrounding area. This includes the clear front surface of the eye, which is known as the cornea, and the thin, moist membrane lining the outer eye and the inner eyelids, which is known as the conjunctiva. Well, the organisms may target a specified region of the eye to manifest and divide to cause an infection. These locations include cornea, which can be infected by Staphylococcus aureus, Pseudomonas aeruginosa, herpes simplex virus, and varicella zoster virus. Then we have the conjunctiva. Now, the conjunctiva can be infected by Chlamydia trachomatis, Neisseria gonorrhea, adenovirus, and enteroviruses. Moving on, we have the retina, which can be infected by Candida albicans, Toxoplasma, and Toxocara. As for the endophthalmitis, we have to remember that it is caused by Staphylococcus aureus, Streptococcus epidermidis, Pseudomonas aeruginosa, and Toxocara.